Hello folks, we're back with more Revit training. Today we're going to create a new family park bench. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. We're doing this series on basic families. So here we're going to do a new one, a new furniture type family, English Imperial. And we're going to go with the furniture profile, the furniture template. Say okay. Now I'm going to open this file up and we've got our 4 views, so I'm going to just window tile them here. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to focus in on this right view. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this one up here. Let me tab these views. Okay, so there's my right view. So now what we want to do here, we want to go and what we call importing from AutoCAD. So I'm going to go and I'm going to take this extrusion. I'm going to create this extrusion and I'm going to get this material. Let's see. So it's here and we got something in here called redwood, I think. Okay, so we'll take that one. And render graphics, use rendered appearance, click apply, okay, and now we want to go and import. I have this DWG jar. This is just a 2D AutoCAD file, and there's our now here I want to change this depth to 4 feet. Okay, now this has to be a closed shape, so we got some cleaning up to do. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go in here and just clean this stuff out here with my selection tool. I'm going to tab it and delete. Same thing here. And these entities we don't need in here. So now we need to clean this up. See if I can split this with a gap here. Actually, let's just go clean this through right quick. There you go. So get that one there and there. Yep. And then I'll go see if I can just draw a line here to here. So, okay, now, you can make families 1,000 ways. This is just another way you can learn how to make them here. So, okay, split gap is not working for me. Okay. Oh shucks, I didn't want to do that. There. This. Now here. Wow, I can't get that split tool to work for me. So, okay. Just do the next best thing here. It's okay. Draw a line here to here now. Okay. Now, let's see. This is not going to let me split you up. Okay, fine. I'll just do this. And another line right here. I don't know why that tool doesn't work for me. And then we're going to go and just say finish. Let's have a look in our 3D view and we should have our bench. Now let's go look at this guy realistically. So there's our bench coming along fine. Okay, now what I want to do here, I want to add some more material here. So let's go into my let's go into my back elevation here, my back view. And here I want to use this command here. I want to go create a work plane here. So I'm going to set a work plane here. And then here I want to say pick plane, go okay. And then I want to carefully go and find that face. And let's see if I can show this. And I think that's what we want. So I'm gonna go and create another material right quick here. Create another extrusion. And this material, let's make this make this aluminum here. I think they got something real pretty in here. Yeah, I like this. So push that over there. We'll give this graphics in, yep, apply. Okay. Now I want to draw an extrusion right, say, through here. And I want this to be just half an inch. For my depth here. And do that like so. And then we'll finish that. And let's go see what we're looking like in our 3D view. Uh-oh, so something happened. This has been happening to me a lot. I don't want all this color. This has to go back to where it was. And that one was, oh, we lost it. Okay, so I'll find that again. Okay, so this is what I'll do. I think I can paint this. Let me try. So we didn't say that material, so let's go see if we can fix that right quickly here. This is supposed to be in redwood. So I don't know why that happened. Really don't. Get in there. Now this is supposed to be, wow. Really crazy things going on with materials today, folks, but bear with me here. I'm gonna go and grab this one back. But you get the message, you get the idea. I'm gonna skip that one. And I did it again. I don't know why it's doing that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just undo that. Do that again. Okay, so right here. Jeez, we just go back forward here. Okay, so here, I should be able to go in here and do this. Let me see if I can paint this now. Okay, so folks, anyway, I might leave it there. No, I'll fix it. Properties, what's going on here? Select this guy here. This is default material. It should be, that material's not in here, so see if I can add it in here. Come on. I'm going to just cancel this right now and find out. Okay, so here, and then this video, I'm going to take this guy here, I'm going to select it. Why is it that? then went quiet here. There it is again. Let's try this again. There. So now let's go back and change this thing now. Wow, man. Should have renamed this, but let's give us graphics here. Show rendered appearance and apply and OK. So now, what a mystery here. So now let's go and add some text here. Let's just annotate this. I want to go create model text, and then I'm going to say here in memory. Of fallen soldiers. And I'm going to OK, and I'm going to place that here. Now I need to get on my plane, back in my back view. So here, I'll place it there. Nope. So I'm going to undo that right click and then just place it on this work plane. I'm going to go annotate. I'm sorry, create. And then I'm going to go in memory of fallen soldiers. And then I might want to rotate. Just drop it in there for now. Get on that plane. And then we might want to edit this guy. It's what, 6 inches depth. Let's make it 1 inch. And then let's rotate this guy 90 degrees. And then I want to edit this type. You always would duplicate it. For this one, I'm going to make this 1.5. Click apply. Okay. And just move that right there. And there you have our Memorial Day memorial for fallen soldiers. This was a little tricky to get done. We can make that some kind of material we like as well. Let's see. Let's maybe make that. I don't know. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please be safe and please subscribe. I hope to see you guys soon. Thanks again. Bye. Be safe. Please subscribe.